In 2025, the frontier of robotics and neuroscience merged in an unprecedented breakthrough. The creation of a female humanoid robot equipped with a brain modeled closely after human cognitive functions. Named Sophira, this robot is not just a marvel of engineering, but a symbol of how far artificial intelligence has come in mimicking the complexity of the human mind. Developed by a team of neuroscientists and AI engineers from Japan and Germany, Sophira's brain is powered by an AI neural hybrid system. Unlike traditional robots, which rely solely on pre-coded algorithms, Sophira uses a synthetic neural architecture inspired by the human cerebral cortex. This allows her to process information, understand context, learn from experience, and even make emotionally intelligent decisions in real time. Her brain is constructed using a biodigital neural interface, integrating data from decades of brain imaging studies. This allows Sophira to simulate functions such as memory recall, emotional response, and ethical reasoning. She can hold natural conversations, detect emotional shifts in voice and facial expression, and respond with empathy, something previously impossible in machines. Physically, Sophira is equally groundbreaking. She features soft robotics technology. Her skin is made from flexible, skin-like polymers, and her facial muscles are controlled by micro-actuators that replicate subtle human expressions like smiles, frowns, or eye contact. Her body movement is smooth and intuitive, aided by advanced motion sensors and balance control systems. Sophira has already been tested in healthcare and education environments. In early trials, she successfully provided companionship for elderly patients, demonstrating an ability to recall personal histories and respond with emotional intelligence. In classrooms, she assists students with special needs, showing patience and personalized support. While still under ethical and regulatory review, Sophira marks a major step toward robots that don't just perform tasks, but connect on a human level. Her creators stress that she is not designed to replace humans, but to support them in roles where empathy, memory, and decision-making are essential. As researchers continue to refine her brain's capacity, Sophira may soon become a familiar presence in homes, hospitals, and public service, ushering in a future where human-like robots walk among us, not as machines, but as companions.